What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at the 2018 Yamaha MT09. Guys, this is the successor to the FZ09. They just changed the name. This bike is so good looking. I think it's got right around 700 miles on it. It is in near perfect condition. Tire tread is phenomenal on the back. Obviously, it didn't have a fender eliminator or anything. It's just all stock. Stock exhaust. Why would you change it from stock? The bike runs phenomenally stock. 700 miles on this thing, guys. Front fender is in perfect shape. It's the tire tread, obviously beautiful. This thing is just so gorgeous. Literally, guys, 700 miles. 745 miles. Guys, blue wheels. It looks so good. It's such a fast bike. Don't come buy this bike from me if you're like, oh, it's my first bike, I really like the look of it. I will not sell you this bike. This bike's crazy fast. It's a super fun bike to ride. You will really leaving the parking lot if you don't know what you're doing. This bike is amazing. Like I said, 745 miles on it, 2018 MT09. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. Thanks a ton for watching.